Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your business, and of course your life will definitely be affected positively. If making money online is your desire and your intention, on my channel here I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and of course anything that will help you make money online. Today I have another software product called Affinity. Affinity is going live 27th of May 2022 at exactly 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, of course. And in a nutshell, this one is being pushed out there by the affiliate, the super vendor, Robin Palmer, my friend. And in a nutshell, it's a software that is going to help you harness Pinterest traffic on autopilot, and of course help you begin to use an inbuilt community of a system that will help you begin to get the clicks that you need to make money online. It's an insane product that is automated to actually bring out the best from your Pinterest activities, and of course it has a secret inbuilt community system that is going to also help you harness this very capability with Affinity. Now, Affinity, like I told you, is going live 27th of May 2022 at exactly 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the creator says that it's a breakthrough one-click Pinterest automation technology that makes them $825 daily. I doubt this amount. It may make you some money, but I doubt this very amount. But of course, if you use Pinterest ads and spend some money on the ads, definitely you will be having the chance to make this amount of money or even more. Okay, and it comes, as they say, with zero prior tech or marketing skills, and of course on the instant. So if this is a product that you like to have, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area below. That link will bring you to this amazing bonus page that I have for you, and if you get here, you will get a copy for yourself using this link and any of the other yellow links scattered all over this page. And if you stick with me, I will definitely show you the members area, the software itself of this very product, Affinity, and also take you through the first sales page review. And you see here you have the discount with this coupon when you get here on the sales page. Virtually, if you click that link below in my description area, you'll be able to pick up a copy with this link or any of the yellow links, and when you do click any of them, it will bring you to the sales page where you claim your copy with this very discount coupon. And when you do, under your purchase history on my Warrior Plus account, you will definitely find a page that looks like this with two buttons. The green one gives you access to Affinity, and here you have this blue one giving you access to the amazing bonuses that I'm going to show you in a very short while. And with that said, let us take more look on what this product is all about. And as I said, this Affinity generates free traffic on total autopilot by leveraging other people's work using their inbuilt community system. It's an all-in-one traffic app that works in any niche whatsoever. You can work in fitness, health, make money online niche, every niche. Okay, now it comes with specific training on how and where to use the software to generate results, even show you how to use it to generate money with NFTs. Okay, now here are the pricing for this one before we go to see the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. Now, this is the sketch, and here you have the front end goes for $17, but with this coupon discount you'll be able to get it for less than $17. That I am very sure of, and it will give you access to this very powerful software where you can get the training you need to actually begin to structure this in order to make money for yourself. Now let us take a look at the upsell number one, Affinity Unlimited. It goes for downsell of $27, and this unlimited everything. With this upgrade, you will be able to unlock more traffic. And upsell number two, Affinity, done for you. I guess it goes for $47. Everything is definitely done for you, and you will join their weekly masterclass course and skyrocket your results. And upsell number three is the unlimited traffic. It goes for $88, and this one will siphon highly targeted traffic for more profits. And of course, users get direct access to their audience by placing pixels on their sales pages for the next 365 days. That's one full year. And upsell number four will be resale rights, and it goes for 97, and here you get commissions through their entire funnel. And here are the amazing benefits you stand to gain, few of which we can take through. Brand new technology that drive automated traffic from Pinterest. Pinterest is one of the best places to actually make money using ads and of course using other people's materials. So I'm convinced that this will definitely work and get high quality buyer traffic that's ready to convert, and of course proven and tested method that generates real results to even build this, and no prior tech or marketing skills is required. 100% brand new and never done before technology that sounds takes seconds to actually set up, and you will be able to begin to make money with that, and completely beginner friendly and easy understood training videos included. Everything you need is here, and it has this 30-day money back guarantee. And here is the video for the demonstration, which I'm going to attach to this very video, and of course you'll be able to have access to that. Now, this is my bonus number 1 affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. I am an affiliate marketer, working between the producer of a product and the prospective customers. So to learn how to do this in every niche of your choice, it's what this very hack is going to teach you. It's a good one. Now, my bonus number 3 will be how to get traffic to any link of your choice. Traffic is, imagine this Pinterest traffic arrangement with this Affinity product, and you get this traffic, but you don't have the instrument and the knowledge to convert the traffic into clicks that you need to make money online. Then this hack is going to teach you that. Okay. And bonus number 3 will be how to create free professional websites which you can sell on Fiverr or any of the freelancer marketplaces. And of course, my bonus number 4 will be 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot automation system. Like this very automation technology for Affinity, you'll be able to learn skills on how you can automate a business and go to sleep while money is made for you at the background. Now, my bonus number 5 will be all the vendor bonuses, which I'm going to show you briefly, as long as this Affinity product is concerned. So you have basically everything you need to make up your mind. When you do get here and click this link, it will take you here. You use this coupon to get a discount, and when you do, like I showed you before, under your purchase history you find a page. Here the green one gives you access to Affinity, and here you have this one giving you access to the amazing bonuses that I have just shown you. And here is the email address in case you need any support from me. And with that said, we have taken care of the pricing, which I've told you, the front end 17 with a discount on the sales page, and here you have the unlimited that is very advisable for 27, and all these other ones are done for you, and the rest are of course optional, but these two are pretty important. Now, with that said, let us see exactly what the sales members area talks about. This is the dashboard, image pin creator, video pin creator, my pins, Pinterest settings, community forum, training, and of course password. And here are where you actually structure how this one works. And first of all, you get this training so that you see how this is structured. For the sake of clarity, let us see the amazing demo video of this product in action. After that, we'll round up with the sales pin. Okay, I'll be back with you in a jiffy.
To make money on Pinterest, you 100% need to post pins. A lot of pins. But no worries, with this cloud-based software you can create image and video pins, schedule them for publishing, and what's really cool, with this tool you can get your pins published by other Pinterest influencers at no additional cost to you. Pinterest cloud software is very simple, and by the end of this short tutorial you'll learn how to use all of its tools. First, you need to connect your Pinterest account. To do that, head to Pinterest settings menu on the left. By the way, you can fix a menu sidebar in place by clicking on the menu icon right here. Setup is pretty straightforward. Enter your Pinterest account email, username, password, click save, and you're all set. On the dashboard, you will see a summary of your pins created on this platform. And here you can click the corresponding buttons to either create an image or a video pin. Let's talk how to use Image Pin Creator. You can access this tool from the dashboard or from the menu on the left. First, we need to add an image. To do that, click on the button right here. You'll get an option to upload it from your computer or search for it in image stocks. For example, I enter something like dog in a search bar and it gives me all these different results from image libraries, which are completely copyright free. When image is selected or uploaded, there's a big set of options we can do. All of those are listed in this menu on the right. You can add text and change its placement by dragging like this, change its color, underline it, or move it to one of the sides. Pretty intuitive. There's also an option to add different filters to entire image by clicking these checkboxes. You can remove whites, which can be really useful to get rid of some backgrounds. You can play with brightness, noise, pixelate filter, and different tints. When using tint, you can select its opacity alongside the color. And you have even two more options for color overlays: multiply and blend. Using the latter, it's possible to change the overlay mode similar to image editors like Photoshop. Next, we have a menu for cropping. Click on that, now move to the image and then select the part you want to crop. After that, press apply. By the way, if you made something wrong and want to undo the action, you have dedicated buttons for undo and redo, or you can click remove to reset everything and start from scratch. Right, next you can flip the image. Both axes are supported for flipping. And of course, you can rotate an image. And my favorite one, you can draw straight lines or free draw using this tool right here. Color selection and bright size selection are available as well. When our image is ready, we can either save it as an image or post directly to Pinterest. When posting to Pinterest, give pin a title, description, select a board, and most important, enter the link. That's basically what brings you money on Pinterest. Bringing people to your site, blog, or product with the help of this link. What's convenient is that you don't have to publish your pin immediately. Here we can select schedule to choose date and exact time for posting. With Pinterest Cloud software, scheduling multiple pins for publishing is a breeze. Video Pin Creator is also a very useful tool. What it does is creating advanced video slideshow out of your images. And video pins stand out in people's Pinterest feeds. They grab more attention and can bring more clicks compared to standard image pins. Let's open up Video Pin Creator from the menu and I'll show you how to use it. There are many different options and controls here, but don't worry, they're all pretty simple to use. We can add title at the top of the page. Below there's an image placeholder. Click that and we can upload our slide, similar to how we did that with the Image Pin Creator. It's possible to upload image from your computer, from internet using the image URL, or select a photo from the image library. Once again, those are copyright free. Let's talk about all the controls on the right. Zoom effect will zoom in or out on the image, so it looks more dynamic. Fade effect adds this cinematic fade to black, either to start and or both, which is useful to make transitions between slides buttery smooth. In the next field, you can specify slides duration in seconds. Little hint here, try setting different durations for slides to keep viewers' brains more engaged. Text position obviously allows you to place text on top, in the middle, or at the bottom. Text effect defines text movement. It can slide left to right to left, top to middle, or bottom to middle. Font family lets you choose a font. All of them are now on screen. Pause the video and choose whichever suits your needs. Moving on to the second column. Here's a field to add slide text, and you can enlarge the field by dragging bottom right corner. Just don't go crazy and put an entire Tolstoy novel down there, okay? Next, you can decide on text color. Color picker is amazing. You can drag here to select hue, drag here to refine your selection. We have these RGB values at the bottom, which you can switch to HSL or hex, and you're free to copy-paste that hex value. On top of that, there's a picker icon. Click that and you can select color anywhere on the screen. Literally anywhere. If you happen to have multiple monitors, you can select color on any of them. Font size option defines how big or small your text will be. BG box color sets text background color, and background box padding defines how much that background will extend on each side. That's it for slide controls. Combine that with image pin creator for even more possibilities. Add new button adds a new slide obviously, and each slide will have the same set of controls. In add audio menu you can upload your music, and in this field below you can add a pause in seconds until music starts playing in your slideshow. Maybe you want your music to start when the second slide shows up and your first slide is 5 seconds, so you put 6 in this field. Click create and Pinterest Cloud will generate your video. You get this notification here, which means that software is processing your slideshow. To get the result, press My Videos button here in the top right corner. If your video is still not done, wait for a minute and reload the page. Next, click Download Video. To add video pin, head to Pinterest, create pin. Drag your video here, add title, description, your link, and that's it. But the real magic with Pinterest Cloud software happens when you start using Community Forum feature. With this tab, you can utilize the full power of community of like-minded people. Here's how it works. We have our credits and our pins on the left and community pins on the right. When we post someone's pin to our feed, we get a credit. When we post one of our pins to Community tab, we lose 1 credit. By posting the pin to Community tab, you can bring up your pin to a wider audience and get more clicks to your project. You see, when we select someone's pin from the Community tab, we can't change text or the link. That's right what we want for our pins on Community tab. Okay, let's select my board right here and click this button to post this community pin. As soon as it gets posted, I'll receive a credit, which I can use to bring one of my pins to Community tab. So I select my pin in the left column and click Post to Forum. That's it. You don't have to put like every community pin to your account. You are free to select just the ones that are relevant to your niche and just the ones you liked. This community feature will bring you a lot of organic traffic when Pinterest will see that your pin is shared, and you'll get traffic from community as well. So that's a great way to boost your Pinterest account and increase your profits.
Oh yes, welcome back to my channel where I review cloud-based products, promote info products, and of course anything that will help you make money online. Now, like I told you, this is the sales page and we can scroll through at your convenience. You'll be able to read through and see how it is structured, but it has 3 basic steps to get this activated. You have register step 1, activate, and of course profit with Pinterest activities, okay, using other people's work, of course. And here you have all the information you need at your convenience. You'll be able to go through them, including the testimonials and of course all the income proofs that have been published here. I am excited with this one because I know Palmer, I know Robin, and I believe this is structured. Once Pinterest is mentioned, I know that it's going to be a good one because my partner and myself, we use Pinterest ads, and I know the kind of results that we get from that is actually better than any of the other ones that you have, which are far more expensive, because you can start with $50, $100 as you wish, and definitely you make returns. So imagine having the setup with that. Now here you have the bonus number 1, social niche marketing mastery. Bonus number 2 from the vendor, keyword magician. Bonus number 3 will be instant content creator, and bonus number 4 will be virality, and this is the amount, its values, and of course this is bonus number 4 from the vendor, 4 from me, giving you of course 8 amazing bonuses for this one. And with that said, we will definitely round up on this one. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Of course, use the bell button for notifications, and I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me from here. It's goodbye, guys.